Within this video, we'll show how AI inspired us to make one of the biggest, if not the biggest, knife holder. We asked AI how a huge knife holder would look on the walls. And after we executed on the idea and built it, we'll leave the AI-generated images as inspiration. Today, we have embarked on a quest of monumental proportions. We are here to unveil and celebrate the creation of the biggest wooden knife holder. But before we dive headlong into this grandeur, I feel compelled to share a little secret that has fueled our journey. We sought the brilliance of AI to assist us in this ambitious endeavor, and what you are about to witness is the magnificent result of that unparalleled partnership. The biggest knife holder ever crafted from a single colossal piece of wood. It stands as a true testament to the harmonious union of human ingenuity and the boundless capabilities of artificial intelligence. This wooden marvel, with its magnetic embrace, cradles your knives in a secure and elegant fashion that redefines the very essence of knife holder design. As we stand amidst these towering trees, we are reminded of the timeless cycles of nature. These ancient sentinels have borne witness to countless lifespans, much like we as a species have found our place in the wilderness. Just as we've conquered the darkness of the forest, we now stand on the precipice of new conquests. Yet even in our relentless pursuit of progress, the sight of these majestic trees brings us a sense of calmness and peace. Now let us pivot towards the future, a future driven by AI and artificial intelligence. Maverick Mansions has embraced this transformative technology to craft masterpieces that seamlessly bridge the past with the future. Just as we once conquered the shadows of the night, we are now setting our sights on the stars themselves. In the upcoming millennia, we shall reach for the heavens, fueled by innovation and ambition. Our commitment to innovation shines through in every facet of our work. The wooden kitchen knife holder you see before you is but a glimpse into the vast realm of knife holder ideas and designs that reside within our creative arsenal. This, my friends, is a true work of art, a wall-mounted knife holder for the kitchen, designed to both captivate the eye and serve it as a functional masterpiece. Explore our array of magnetic knife blocks, magnetic knife holders, and knife boards, all born from the harmonious marriage of tradition and cutting-edge technology. At Maverick Mansions, we are not merely redefining the concept of a knife holder from wood. We are reimagining it entirely. I extend to you an invitation, a chance to become part of this extraordinary revolution. Join us on this exhilarating journey by subscribing to our channel. Be there to witness the birth of breathtaking furniture that will challenge engineering at its very core. Our creations are not just pieces of furniture. They are a testament to the blending of our illustrious past with the promise of our boundless future. Visit our website, maverickmansions.com, or explore our YouTube channel to discover our offerings and acquire a piece of history in the making. Join us in this remarkable odyssey. Say hello, and until our next rendezvous in the future, see you there.